When the GLP-1 signal breaks down. All right, so now that we know what GLP-1 is supposed to do when everything's running smoothly, let's talk about what happens when that system starts to glitch. Remember those L cells in your gut, the little hormone factories that send out GLP-1 every time you eat? Over time, those cells can get tired, damaged, or just stop showing up to work. Chronic inflammation in the gut, long-term high blood sugar, stress, and even aging can wear them down. When the gut lining is chronically irritated or the microbiome is out of balance, which is a situation often called leaky gut, the L cells become less responsive to meals and GLP-1 signaling weakens. And sometimes it's even written into your DNA. Certain genetic variations can make people naturally less efficient at producing or responding to GLP-1. And for a lot of folks living with obesity, insulin resistance, or type 2 diabetes, studies show that their GLP-1 response is already blunted. They make less of it, and their receptors don't listen to it as well when it shows up. So here's what that looks like in real life. When your GLP-1 signal is weak, your pancreas doesn't get the release insulin message on time. Your liver keeps cranking out glucose even though you've just eaten. Your stomach empties too fast, and you get hungry again way sooner. Your brain gets left out of the loop, so that signal that you're full never really registers. Now you've got a perfect storm. Blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, non-stop cravings, and that frustrating feeling that your metabolism has switched to chaos mode. And the worst part? That same cycle, blood sugar swings, chronic metabolic stress, and long-term inflammation, not the helpful kind, keeps damaging the system that's supposed to fix it. It's kind of like trying to put out a fire while your hose is melting. This is one reason why so many people feel like their body is fighting them. And instead of asking what's broken in the system, society points the finger at the human, saying they just need more discipline or better willpower. Bullshit. But this isn't a character flaw, it's a communication problem. The messages between your gut, pancreas, liver, and brain are dropping like bad text signals. That's where GLP-1 receptor agonist medications come in. They don't replace your natural GLP-1, they mimic it and boost the signal that your body's struggling to send. For people whose GLP-1 system has gone quiet, these meds act like a megaphone. Suddenly, the body starts hearing those messages again. Release insulin, slow digestion, calm the hunger signals. And here's the thing. A sluggish GLP-1 system doesn't mean your body's broken. It means that it's overloaded. Long-term stress, poor sleep, nutrient gaps, and ongoing low-grade immune stress can all weaken the signal. Supporting gut health, eating balanced meals with enough protein and fiber, strength training, and calming the system back down are what help your natural GLP-1 do its job.